Well, how we doing? So, off for a big walk today, up at Glenariff Forest. It's been a flipping cracking day so far. It's pished with rain the last few days, so thank fuck it's not raining now. So I'm heading up anyway, heading towards the big hill just to the south of Waterfoot. As I say, all my travels already, but fucking scenery is awesome. Scenery is stunning. So, a bit too far a walk for the kids, so unfortunately my wee honey Kaz can't carry him either. She has to look after the bambinos. Aye, so off I go. Walking about half an hour already, nearly 2.5 kilometres done. Busted. I'm gonna get a bit of breakfast shortly, so see you soon. Look at that. That's something else. There's Waterfoot. Bonk, just down there. I'm heading to a point past that point. It's about another 10 kilometres from here. So I'd have to turn a right after these trees and head up onto the plateau. Unfortunately, I don't have gaiters with me, and the grass is soaking. So I am going to be ringing. But keep her lit, sure, why not? A nice wee seat there, boys. Did you? You get a queer wet bum on that one. Nice wee waterfall streaming down there. Some spot. Glenariff Forest. What a spot. Just start that waterfall there. There's been some rain fell. Unbelievable. Well, still keeping a decent enough out of pace. There's nearly 3 kilometres, 40 minutes. It's just over 4 kilometres an hour I'm walking there. I'm not going to be able to keep that once I come off this path. Ah well, joys. Decent wee spot up in there now. Wee trail going up. You could probably get a wee bit of wild camping up in there if you could find a level spot for your tent. If you've got a hammock, you're sorted. Hammock's all the way. Aye. This is it, right? One more path. Someone's dropped an orange skin over there. Dirty scares. Take your stuff home with you, folks. Oh. This is where I'm going to go my arse from elbow now. I fell. Behind me. Caravan parking over there, bye. And there's where I'm trying to get to there. That Oh, I'm busted. That wee nipple, where are you? Oops. Right there. Oh, I have a bit of walking to do yet. That for a valley. Unbelievable. Something else like Waterfoot in the bottom there. Scotland over the way, bye. I'm busted. I am going to sit here and have a wee cup of tea, get my breakfast. Aye, lovely. Days. Jet boy. Where's the way forward? More gas as well. Should be enough. Got breakfast out there. I'll have day. AC. Potato and beans and tomato sauce. Yabba dabba do. Put the puppies in there. Get her boiling. Get her going now. A wee bit. And away she goes! Yummy, yummy. So look at this. Best view I've ever had for breakfast anyway. Still walking. No sign you'll be bugger yet. Some spot around here though. Thank God it's not raining. Oh, horrendous. Tiny tuft of trees over there, top of the hill. Wee bugger. Tiny one. Just there. Hi, so I had my breakfast, had my coffee, walking along, and then there fell my hole. Standard. Had a good crack, me up here in my Todd. Aye, dead on. I see the sea and the sea sees me. Oh, there it is. I can finally see the wee bugger. The top of where I want to go. I don't know if you can see it or not there. Let me see. Where's the wee scar? It's just there. Aye. Not to go yet. Few of the locals. Sheepies, sheepies. Well, seem the wee sheepies are keeping a distance. I can smell a Ballymena man a mile away. There she's there. Hard to go on this. Amount of rain, it's just a marshland up the top of this thing, aye. Nearly the whole way around, feet are soaking. So, I just remembered this actually bowls the way in. So I'll have to walk away in to get to it. I'll show you. I flipping seen this yesterday too. I forgot all about it as I was walking. I walked the edge here, the valley's edge as such, and then I think that's where I want to go. Over there. Boom. But to do that, I have to go way in there and around. Whew. Bugger. Awesome. Sure. On we go. Nearly fell again. Good man. Getting closer. Oh, I'm too afraid of this wall now, so I'm just going to follow this. That way and around to the fence. And then that's not kicking the arse off over there, like. Creasing it. Creasing it. Doing alright. Everyone's fails have put up a big brand new fence there, look. Fair play to them. Way out here. There's not many roads up here, like. It's nice, like. Make sure you stream by. Yeah. Yeah. I know my feet are soaking at the moment, like, but I don't really want to just run on through the river either. Looks like a jobby there. So you're going to see me fall in here. It's so bad. Northern Ireland's crop circle. Aliens. Ooh, doo, doo. Ah, it's getting there. Nearly at the end of the fence. See the fence there now. I didn't just walk adjacent to the fence because there was a bit of a stream there, so all the water's running down to that point, so I come in a bit. It doesn't really matter, I'm soaked anyway, like, but sure, some crack. So that's me, nearly 2 hours in. Just over 7.5 kilometres. So I've slowed down a bit anyway, which is probably, I knew I was going to. Buggered. Aye. End of the fence now then. So hopefully I should be able to see the wee nugget, the wee nipple there. There she is, bye. Happy days. We're getting there. Huh. So that was the wee valley I went through there. Not a valley. I was up there and I had to walk way in there and then come along here. Oh well, I'll get there, go up here, and I'll cup of tea maybe. There she is, bye. Flip me. Awesome. Oh man. Whew. Look at that That is something else. That must be Slimish. We're there. Glenariff. Cushendall. Waterfoot. Around the back of them must be Cushendall somewhere. Behind that hill there. Right the whole way round to Larne, the way down there. And then Bonnie, Scotland. Look at that bugger over there. Clear as day, man. Amazing. So there we are. That was the top of it. I overestimated the distance of it there. I did it in just about 2 hours anyway. And it was about 8 point, you can see that. 8.7 kilometers. So I'm not going to go back the way I came. I'm just going to keep on going down until I hit the water's edge, and then walk across into Waterfoot, and hopefully my lovely wife will be there to pick me up. Right. Didn't stay up there too long. Flipping midges. Flip me. Oh, absolutely destroyed me there. So I'm making heads. I can head away. Get away. Hopefully I can find a way down here somewhere. But I don't think I'll be going down that way. Ooh. Check that out. I'm not going to go too close. Oh, feet are still soaking, as I say. And, I'm up here myself. Even get a better view over here. Oh, squeaky bum. Squeaky bum. Look at that. There's the wee car park I want to try and get to there. Just there. Don't know how though. We'll get there. Yeah. Hopefully get a wee spot over here somewhere. I'll start making my way down. So we look at the map there. It seems to be just shallow out a bit, so it doesn't have much of a rock face. It was back there. So as the man says, all down here from hill. Down as the man says, it's all down the hill from here. What a tit. Can't even say anything right. Downhill's going to be disco legs very soon as well. Bring it on. That view's like something else. Ah, there's the locals again. Alright, girls. Look at that. Look at the wee jobby there. See river then, I'm hopefully going to try and follow. Hopefully follow the whole way down in. When people walking up here, there's a bit of a trail. Oh, it's up here anyway. That there, lovely. Alright, so turns out this isn't the river. I'm going to follow down. I went halfway down and I couldn't go any further, so I've had to come the whole way back up again, all the way up through there, and I'm going to head that way, try and find the river that I'm wanting to go to. Oh, let's go. This is the one I want to follow. Oh God. Hopefully this isn't too bad doing this. Still not be great, but hopefully be better. Still a bit of height to traverse to get down there. Well, bit of an update. First two rivers, they weren't the way down. I had to go back up again. Go the whole way along the top, further to the south. There's another big massive river. I come down from up there down to here. So far so good. I'm actually getting somewhere. Hopefully this will take me all the way down. Some class stuff. Aye, and that is me down. Sea level once more. Awesome. So just keep walking around now to hit Waterfoot. Aye, so that's me just now, skirts of Waterfoot here now, so that's where we're up top. All the way up there. If you remember the first river that I tried to come down, like an idiot, was taking us into that ravine. Very hard to say there because of that flipping sunlight. Like that. There's no way I would have made it down that. And then the next one is there. Again, no way I would have made it down that. I would have been flipping dead. But I'm down eventually anyway, so not so bad. So anyway, yeah, I'm going to leave it at that. I hope you've enjoyed this. I'll try and do some other ones at some stage whenever my legs heal. Laters.